Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is some rechargeable batteries, which are C batteries. So I should open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically actually looks like inside. So the one that we got right here, it comes in a pack of 4 of these. So let's take it out first. So inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product. But you can see right here we do have 4 of them, and actually come with a case that actually hold all the batteries right here, which is pretty nice. So that way you can keep everything all organized. And the way how you guys open up the case is actually pretty cool as well. You guys want to open it like this, and then pull it open. But in order for you guys to open up, you do need to peel off this tape right here first. And once we open up, this is basically what the product looks right here. So you can see right here they do have the brand logo right here, EBL, and this is 5000 mAh for each one of these batteries right here. So let's take it out. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So this side is a plus and this side is minus, and they do label on here so that way you guys know as well. And the cool thing about these batteries right here, the lifespan of these is actually much longer than typical brands. They mentioned how if you guys use it after 3 years, the battery life on here is still 80%. Which is pretty awesome. And also for these batteries, they are recyclable. So definitely after the batteries go bad or you guys can't use it anymore, you can definitely recycle them. And obviously for these batteries, they do have the protection built in as well. So that way you guys don't have to worry about the product overcharging over time. But that is basically what the battery looks like right here. Let me actually test it out to show you guys how it works. So you can see right here, I do have like a cart shuffler. And for this cart shuffler, we do need to use 4 batteries. So that's why I'm using this as an example. So when I open the bottom part right here, you guys can see we do have the slot to actually put in the batteries. So I just plug in right here. That's 1. And that is 2. And basically want to do the same thing for this side as well. But close up the lid first. So the other 2 right here is basically the same thing. But you basically want to open up this part here as well. And then put the batteries inside. Alright. So once you guys got that battery in, you should be able to start using it. So I press on this button right here. You guys can hear how it does work. But let's put some cards inside right here to show you guys the test. So basically I want to split the card in half. So that way I can put one on one side and the other one on the other side. Alright, so you can see how we have the card this side and this side right here. So I basically want to put this back inside right here first. Once we do that, we can press the button to actually activate it. So definitely see the product definitely does work once we plug in the battery right here. So like I mentioned, for the lifespan for these batteries right here, it should definitely last for a really long time. And obviously it's much better for you guys to use rechargeable batteries, so that way you can recharge it and use it over and over, and that way you guys don't have to keep buying a new one every single time. As you see right here, we have the battery plugged in right here. So you definitely see the product, it is rechargeable, and we are using our EBL battery charger. And for this battery charger here, it's actually pretty cool because it gives you guys the option to charge like all types of batteries on here, ranging from like AAA batteries to AA batteries to C batteries, D batteries, and the list goes on. And also you see right here, they have a display screen to show you guys the battery life on here as well. So that way when the product is fully charged, you can definitely see that on here. But definitely see right here, all these batteries are rechargeable, which is pretty awesome. So that way you guys actually recharge these and you don't have to buy like new batteries every single time. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for these batteries, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it. Especially if you guys are going to look for some high quality rechargeable C batteries to use for devices such as this one right here. In terms of the car shuffler, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.